Friday, meteorologists said. Up to 20 centimeters of rain fell in some parts of the city. City authorities declared a state of emergency. Video footage shows people walking in deep water. Many streets and basements are flooded. Car traffic is almost paralyzed. Cars have difficulty moving in the water. The flooding caused major disruptions to the New York City subway system and the Metro North Community Railway system. Water pours from some metro lines were completely suspended and many stations were closed. The departure of many flights from city situation as dangerous and huge reservoirs of people are at risk of flooding.